Well, in design tech, I really feel that they need to develop the knowledge and skill to be a good designer. And to be a good designer, they have to know what the industry standard is. They have to have a process in which they design. So we use what we call the engineering thinking design process. It incorporates your typical engineering process, but we also put the design thinking in there, which has to deal with the empathy of your client. I also feel that creativity, innovation is an important part of designing, but it's a part that I also feel that students need to understand that creativity is a major skill that can help them in their career. And of course, in all that, you still have to be able to market your ideas to others. Well, I go back to I want them to create an idea. So this lesson asks them to create an idea in a short period of time. Okay, but it also asks them to take it from the perspective of the client, and that's what we keep on emphasizing, that the client is the most important component, and you need to try to create an idea that will please your client. First of all, I think they need to produce something that is tangible. They also need to reflect on what they've done in the past. So if they are able to reflect and bring out these ideas that they've worked with in the past, then that tells me that they have the knowledge of the standards and the skills that we're asking as designers. Well, they're in groups, and it's a part of being as a team to contribute. So I want all of them to be engaged and participating, and in that process, hopefully their behavior is such that they're working towards a common goal for the whole entire team. To drive student discussion, the biggest questions that I ask them is, how would your client interpret your design, your statement, which reflects on how well empathy that you know your client. It's engaging because it deals with what they have learned up to this point. So now it's time for them to brainstorm, problem solve, and come up with an idea that they feel the client will like. So it should be engaging in the sense that all of this knowledge and skill that they have learned, now they will have to apply it. Well, I asked them many questions in this assignment, such as what are some of the resources, materials that they will be using if they were to design a prototype, how much time, what are some of the cost factors involved. So all of the components in which we teach in the design thinking is kind of brought up in their prompt, in the questioning that I will provide to them.